the network of systems by running each process on unique port number. As you can see here, the first each row belongs to individual nodes, node 1, node 2, and node 3. And the first column is a command line for the each node. And second and third columns are map workers for each node. And fourth column is a reducer for a reducer process of the node. And the fifth column is a replicator module. So these listen to the commands which are given by the command line, or the replicator module also listen to the messages coming in from the network. Now we will start the process by running the mapper function. When we run mapper on file A, as you can see, it ran, and when you see the values in, so this reduces the text file into key value pairs. Similarly, I will do the same thing for B and C. And after this, I would send the reduce command. Once the reducer is done, we can check the as you can see, the it basically reduce the content in both the files. Now the replicator, we can start the replicator module, which will copy the files across the network in different systems and log the copy of the files in a consistent order across the network. As you can see here, it got logged into the position 1, and log entry 1 and 2 are still vacant. And when we check the log of system 3, it also has the same files in the same order. And let's say we stop this node got stopped for some reason and stopped listening to anything which is happening in the network. And at the same time, C sent its own file to be replicated. So this got logged in its own file after having negotiation with the other systems. And when we print here, so it also has the files in the same order. And but when we print here, it didn't get logged here because no, basically it is not communicating with anything in the network. And when I resume here, so it sends a dummy value across the network to see if it can get anything. And it realized that it can get the dummy value in the third position, and the second position it got a value from the other nodes. And when I replicate so it is reflected in this and this node too.